Listing merchant-fulfilled inventory via InventoryLab is quick and straightforward. To get started, choose List, List and Prep in the top menu. Click Start a Batch. The batch name will default to the date and time when you created the batch. However, you can replace this with any name you'd like. You may need to find this batch again in the future, so it's a good idea to give it an easy-to-remember name. Under Channel, choose Merchant Fulfilled, MFN. Hit Batch Settings. The first option on this screen is Min-Max Preference. Here, you'll have 3 choices: Save to InventoryLab, Send to Amazon, or Do Not Capture. Save to InventoryLab is a good choice if you don't use Amazon's repricer and don't want Amazon to know your price range. Your minimum and maximum prices will be saved to your MSQs in InventoryLab. They will only be shared with repricers you've integrated with, such as Smart Repricer. You can also export them anytime if you'd like to upload them to other tools. Send to Amazon will send your price ranges to Seller Central when you submit your batch. Most sellers use this option because it can help prevent Amazon from shutting down your listings with high pricing errors. If you use Amazon's repricer, it will also use your min-max prices automatically. Finally, the prices will be sent to any other integrated repricer and saved to your MSQ, just like with Save to InventoryLab. If you don't want to set min-max prices for this batch, choose Do Not Capture. The last option is whether to import a buy list. If you have a buy list you want to use in Scatify or a CSV file, see our article Importing Your Buy List for step-by-step instructions. Otherwise, simply leave this set to No Buy List Selected. Once you're happy with your choices, click Start Your Batch. You're all set to start adding your items.